Hey everybody, I'm Marcel from Tyger Auto, and today we're going to show you guys how to install our rear Fury bumper on the back of a Jeep JK Wrangler. This bumper is made out of 5mm heavy-duty carbon steel and features a rugged powder-coated finish. It also offers D-ring mounts on both sides of the bumper and offers a 3-inch housing for an off-road light to be installed behind the bumper. Due to the weight of this bumper, we recommend that you get the help from another person to help you install it. Now with that being said, let's get started with the install. Once you've gone over the installation manual and confirmed that all the parts are accounted for, let's start with removing the factory bumper. Go ahead and remove the side brackets and the 2 inner brackets behind the factory bumper. Then carefully remove the bumper with help and place it on a stable surface. Then insert the double nut plate into the frame channels and line up the nuts with the slots on the outside. At this point, if you have a factory hitch installed, wrap it with some cardboard or tape to protect it from scratching the new bumper. With assistance, carefully position the bumper brackets against the outside of the vehicle frame. Then proceed to apply the hardware accordingly to the manual. Do not tighten the hardware at this time. After the hardware has been applied to both sides, level and adjust the fit and then tighten up all your hardware. Make sure that there is a 1/4 inch gap between the bumper and your hitch before you're finished.